my.
Well, you can tell by the way I move that I'm a giant bird in a man suit. Life is hard for a giant bird, have you heard? And I walk around the city trying to fit in, but double takes really make me wear my disguises thick. Cause you can tell by the way I move that I'm a giant bird in a man suit. I'm from space, an alien race of giant birds. Step one, put all the skates. Step two, hop around the city. Bird, I'm a giant bird. Bird, I'm a giant bird. In a man
Well, you can tell by the way we move that we are giant birds in man suits. We're gonna steal your earthly snacks, we'll eat your seeds and steal your feeds, and then we're gonna marry the pretty human girls and make a species of human hybrid birds.
Step one,
We're gonna find the
step
ladies,
two,
we're gonna make some babies. I'm a giant bird. I'm a giant bird with a wife now.
Dude, this is awesome!
I know, maybe we just need to accept each who he is.
Yeah! We all need to be more like Keith!
This is a good adventure. Shake with the beast, you gave up. Take your piece of the meat. It's so sweet. Deep fried chicken way across the street. Dance with the birds, adventure. Shake with the roots, they gave up. Take your piece of the meat. It's so sweet. Deep fried chicken way across the street. Dance with the birds, adventure. Shake with the roots, they gave up. Take your piece of the meat. It's so sweet. Deep fried chicken way across the street. Dance like a bird, adventure. Shake with the roots, they gave up. Take your piece of the meat. It's so sweet. Deep fried chicken way across the street.
Okay, everybody! It's time to get burning! Yes, I can see that there are a lot of people who just feel like they're birds. Come on, Shaq, take it now. Hey!
My name's Brother Shaq, but don't have an attack. It's for all the big chicks, big pigs, and that. I come from the house of one that can be. My family don't play, so don't mess with me. We got breakfast that I'm God alone. Lewberger, hey, I know that you're people flying all across America. Hey! This will go with all the promotion. I'm just rag up all across the whole and all back there, sex. Big birds, all tall and sexy. Any kind of bird you want from me, the game's all here, so just copy me.
Okay, I'm gonna say something, you say it back. Let's try it. Here we go, and here we go. I say caw, caw, caw. I say flap, flap, flap. I say caw, caw. Yeah, birdie, 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 birdie. Hey, 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 caw, 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 caw.
by the way I move that I'm a giant bird in a man suit.